Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scroll in Adobe XD. First, open your project and select the artboard you wish to make scrollable. Ensure your content extends beyond the artboard's boundaries, either vertically or horizontally, to create the scroll effect. This foundational step is crucial for setting up any scrollable design within your prototype. To set up vertical scrolling, select your artboard. In the Property Inspector on the right, locate the scrolling section. Choose Vertical from the drop-down menu. Then, drag the bottom handle of your artboard upwards to define the visible viewport. Any content extending below this line will become scrollable. For horizontal scrolling, the process is quite similar. Select your artboard and ensure your content extends past its right edge. In the Property Inspector, under Scrolling, select Horizontal. Adjust the right handle of your artboard to set the visible width. This allows users to swipe left and right to view all your content. Beyond full artboard scrolling, you can create scroll groups for individual elements. Select the elements you want to scroll, right-click, and choose Scroll Group. This is perfect for carousels or lists within a larger design. Always test your scrolling in prototype mode to ensure it functions exactly as intended for a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.